girls. Happy Wednesday. Welcome to Writer's Workshop. So yesterday we wrote about stage 1 of the life cycle of a butterfly, right? We wrote about the egg stage. So today we're on stage 2. Do you guys remember what stage 2 is? I've got a picture clue here to help you if you forget. It is the caterpillar stage. That out of the egg comes a caterpillar. I wanted to sing our song, the butterfly song, really quickly one more time with you guys to see if you can help me remember all the stages. So let's go ahead and read this or sing this together. All right. If you know it, you can even get yours out if you want to now and sing it with me. First comes the butterfly and lays an egg. Then comes a caterpillar with many legs. Oh, see the caterpillar spin and spin, a little chrysalis to sleep in. Oh, 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 wait and see. Oh, 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 wait and see. Out of the cocoon, my, oh, my, I see a beautiful butterfly. I hope you guys are knowing that now. If you do know that song, it'll be really helpful as you're trying to find the stages of the life cycle. So it says, first comes the butterfly and lays an egg, then comes a, then comes a caterpillar. So today is day 2. If you want to, you can put a 2 in the corner of your book so that we will know it's the second stage of the life cycle, and it is the caterpillar stage. So I'm going to show you a couple pictures. There's the egg, and the caterpillar is hatching from the egg. And right here we can see a caterpillar. This is what comes out of the egg. This is what is going to transform into a butterfly in not too long of a time. All right, and so boys and girls, now that we have that picture in our head, we kind of have a visual in our head, the first thing we do is what? What's the first thing I'm going to do today? Am I going to start writing my words first? Am I going to get my crayons out? Start coloring my caterpillar in? No, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to try to sketch. And I'm going to try to get my caterpillar on the page. So I noticed that the caterpillar, the egg is usually on a leaf. And that's where the caterpillar usually hatches. So I think I'm going to maybe start with my big leaf again. And I'm going to draw my caterpillar on the leaf because it seemed almost like my caterpillar was hatching on the leaf, and it had kind of 2 long antennas, had a mouth. The caterpillars that I saw even had some stripes on them. So I'm going to go ahead and draw those in. Maybe a little eye on my caterpillar. Lots of little legs on my caterpillar. I've kind of sketched out, there's some veins in the leaf. Maybe there's another leaf kind of coming up through around here. And I went ahead and kind of started to sketch out my ideas. Once we sketch our picture, what's the next thing we're going to do? We're going to get some words on the paper, right? What do we usually need to get words on the paper? We need to pull our handy dandy alphabet strip out and have that ready. So I'm going to first put caterpillar on there because, my goodness, that's a long word, but I need it on there so that we know what the second stage is. That's a long word to stretch out. Caterpillar. Sometimes it's helpful to kind of clap it out and see how many parts is in the word and stretch out one part at a time. So let's clap caterpillar. Can we clap that? Cat-a-pill-er. Oh my gosh, 4. Cat is the first thing I hear. Let's see if we can get all the sounds in the word cat. Cat-er-pillar. That's a long word. I hear the C. Cat. At. Ah. It says ah. Got an A. Cat. A T. You guys are right. So I have cat-er. Cat-er. What's that? Oh, you're right. Like rat. Cat-er. Now we have pill-er. Pill. Cat-er. What is that sound? It's a P right here. Caterpillar. What's this? Like an I, right? Caterpillar. What's that sound? Oh, an L. Let's start reading it back and making sure it's making sense. Let's see what I have so far. There's that R again. So that's a long word, boys and girls. You might not hear all those sounds, but you're going to write all the sounds you hear. Make sure you read it back and make sure it's making sense. Pillar. Whew. We could also go back to the top and put some labels up there. We said yesterday we labeled the word leaf. We might want to label and draw a little line and label his egg. Right? We could label his antennas. He's got stripes. We could label that. We could label eye. There's lots of things we could label. We could go back and add what in our words? Add some sight words. Add some more details to pictures. I might add that word THE again at the beginning. And now it says the caterpillar. You guys are going to do that. So once you've sketched, you've added pictures, you've added words, you've read it back, you know what your words say, you can read it, you're ready to illustrate. So that's what you're going to do today again, is you're going to do exactly those steps. Get my crayons here. You're going to visualize, get your picture on paper, sketch it out, add some words, go back and maybe add some more words, read it back, and make sure that you add color at the very end. So I'm ready now. I saw a yellow caterpillar. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to draw that in here. Right? And then I'm going to go ahead and add, my twistable's broken. Add color to my leaf. Look how I'm kind of outlining the edge and kind of coloring in, not getting in on top of my writing, staying nice and neat in there. I'm paying attention to what colors it actually should be, right? Right? This is kind of like a non-fiction book. It's telling us about the real life cycle of a butterfly. So we need to use exact colors in here. But boys and girls, that is what you're going to do today. You are going to go ahead and tell me all about the caterpillar today, the second phase of the butterfly life cycle. Okay? And then tomorrow we'll be on stage 3 of the life cycle. All right, boys and girls, happy writing.